Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, hope you guys are doing good. And today we are going to unbox this. So, this is a 1970 Chevelle SS. So, and this is by Hot Wheels from their premium series, and this is more specifically from Fast and the Furious movie franchise. And this is specifically, they released it for 25th anniversary of Fast and the Furious movie. So, with that said, let's unbox this again. I bought it for MRP, which is 549. So this time I really 100% I don't remember where I bought this, but I only thing I was able to recollect is it it might be from a supermarket, but I don't know whether I bought it in Chennai or in Trichy. That I seriously don't remember now, guys. So most of the time I'm now getting these kind of things from supermarkets rather than actual toy shop or something like that, because even the toy shops who actually supported me, they started doing this, things like, if you need to buy one main lane, you need to get so many fantasies. I told F it, and then I stopped by, going to those shops. Okay, here is the card art. I'm really happy they actually put the whole car in the card art. That looks really beautiful. So let me just put this away. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. So here we have some paint scratch issues. Again, this is something specific to mine because I already saw that it was scratching on the top of the blister. So yeah, and it has headlight details, and you can see the grill doesn't have much of a grill details. So maybe let me just put some light in this way. Let's see. Yeah. So it doesn't actually have any grills there, it is just fully paint on the front. So you can see the hood details here. This looks really good. It says cowl induction. I'm hoping that you guys can able to see it clearly. Okay, it has tail light details as well. I don't know if I don't remember in which movie actually this car came. So it says JSM 586. I'm hoping that this is true to that particular movie. And this is a full metal casting since it's a premium. Let me just switch it back. Okay, so it has rear view mirror here, but it is one side rear view mirror, but the attention detail is really good. And you can see the I don't know, it is supposed to say Chevelle if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it says Chevelle. So this time actually they did it really nice instead of making a mess out of it. I really like that. And it has this door handle details here. The rims looks really nice, and the wheels are rubber. And again, this is a full metal casting. Again, it's a Hot Wheels Premium. I do love the hood details here. Everything looks really good. It does have some scratches on the windshield. Again, this is specific to mine. Yours might not have, so don't worry about it. So just check it before you buy, because it's anyway it's in the blister. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It does have a little bit of interior. Let me maybe try this again. I hope you guys can see this. It does have some interior detail to it that looks really nice. I personally don't like the steering wheel here because, yeah, again, it's just a block, circular block. I mean, Majorette is doing really better nowadays. They could just, just take a hint from them, right? Instead of. Okay, anyways, let's buy this casting now. So I did buy a lot of Majorette recently. Okay, this is 59 grams, not bad. I did buy a lot of Majorettes, so I need to unbox that soon. So we will be doing that soon. Okay, let's do a roll test. It does roll good. Not too well, but for the weight it has, it rolls really good. Yeah, that is okay. Anyway, I'm not going to roll it in the track since it has rubber tires and all. I'm planning to keep it somewhere in the display here. I need to buy a couple more display cases like this. Okay, so with that said, let's rate this casting now. I'm not seeing any issue with the casting, I mean the detailing, everything. Everything is there. Again, we usually rate each brand based on their own criteria. So for Hot Wheels, this is a 10 by 10 casting. Does have really good detailing to it. And I do like the stance on this one. It looks really cool. I do love old muscle cars so much. I'm really wishing that I would drive one of the muscle cars. I mean, the older muscle cars one day in my life. Let's see. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.